What is this? Chicken karahi. Hi guys, I am Esra Bilgic. Today I'm gonna try to top Pakistani dishes to pick my number one Pakistani dish. Let's get started. It's delicious, it's good. Yummy. Yeah, but it's so hot. So spicy. What is the name of it?
Chicken karahi.
Chicken karahi. Chicken karahi is the next one. It's the big one. It's too big. I'm crying. Is it spicy thing again?
No, it's not spicy.
Lying. It's not dessert. Oh, what is the name of it?
Golgappe.
Golgappe. Can I get a glass of water, please? The next fish, please. It's so spicy. The next one is dal chawal. Dal chawal. It's the best pronunciation. Okay. I'm happy with this. So spicy. Okay. It's good. I hope it's dessert, but it's not. Yes, it's dessert. No, it's good. It's like tulumba, you know? Tulumba tatlısı. Fine. I like it. Okay. Okay. I'm so excited because biryani is the thing. I understand now. It's delicious. Wow. I like it. It's my number one, I think. Yeah. No, it's my number one. I like it. Hi guys, I tried all the dishes. Tell me which one is your number one. Write in the comments. Chicken biryani is the best, without a doubt.
Pakistan's number one network. दुनिया को बता दो.
I want burfi.
Burfi?
I think it's like no baklava. It's like halwa.
It's you can try. It's a bit like halwa, but pick it up yourself and see.
Okay.
Yeah, just take one.
Oh,
It's very sweet. Warning.
really?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay, I will
It's sweet.
try.
Yeah.
Like,
Fingers crossed. Let's see.
yes.
Like it?
I like it. Yeah.
Yeah?
It's so tasty. What is the name?
Burfi.
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 I like burfi.
Yay! One down.
Okay.
हमारी फेवरेट डिश पाकिस्तान में बिसाइड्स बिरयानी इज निहारी. तो मैंने कहा कि इनको निहारी ट्राई कराएं. दिस इज काइंड ऑफ लाइक अ शोरबा बट विद अ लॉट ऑफ डिफरेंट स्पाइसेस इन इट. So it's really delicious.
Wow.
Let's hope you like it. You have
I
to have
know that the Pakistan foods are so hot and spicy.
very spicy. No. This won't be that spicy.
Spicy.
Oh, is it hot for you? Yeah.
A little.
A little.
Yeah, it's different,
Yeah.
but it's delicious. I like.
Good.
Two thumbs up for
Yay!
these dishes.
निहारी पास हो गई हमारी टर्की में, which is great.
My friends and fans in Pakistan, I have some exciting news just for you. Very soon, inshallah. Lots of love from Turkey.
Selamünaleyküm Pakistan. Eyvallah.
The new face of Maria Bulan, Gulsim Ali.
Hello. Selamünaleyküm Pakistan. Welcome to Turkey, Maria.
Thank you, Gulsim. And this girl is so beautiful. उसका दिल इतना अच्छा है, आपको समझ नहीं आती मैं आपको कैसे बताऊं. Gulsim, you want to say something to your fans?
I want to say to everyone, hi, I'm so grateful to be here with you. And Pakistan, we will come. We love you. Thank you very much for your love. You love us and we love you.
We love you right back. And you'll be
Thank
seeing,
you.
yeah, and you'll be seeing us do a lot of things together. So keep watching this space.
I've never been to Pakistan, but I think
We
and
will
I
take you to
hope
Pakistan.
Yeah! Now we finish it, and I want to thank you for everything. You are every time welcome to Turkey. We love you, really. Thank you to everyone because I know you are so tired, and everything it's for me and for this beautiful woman and for this beautiful place. I can show you now. No, it's surprise, but I love it everything, and I hope one day I will come to Pakistan. Inshallah. Inshallah. And I will wearing like this style because I love it so much. You want to stand up? I'm like this.
Look, the best baklava in Turkey apparently, and the three of us are having it together. So good.
O diyardan bu diyara durmadan ne gezersin deli gönül. Herkesin bulduğunu sen mi yitirdin?